Welcome to the Star Mind channel, your guide to the mysteries of the human mind, body, and universe, where we blend science with philosophy to unravel profound enigmas of existence. If you've ever wondered why the world seems blurry after a sleepless night, with thoughts turning chaotic, or why sleep is not merely rest but a vital necessity, then today's video is perfect for you. The topic? Why a person cannot live long without sleep. We won't limit ourselves to superficial facts. We'll embark on an enthralling journey through biological mechanisms, psychological depths, and evolutionary secrets. Imagine your brain as a complex computer requiring regular rebooting, or else the system malfunctions. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for alerts about new releases, and let's figure out why sleep is not a luxury but a key to survival. First, envision a scene. You are a researcher in a sleep laboratory, surrounded by monitors tracking brainwave activity. Sleep is not simply shutting down the body, but an active process where the brain repairs itself, sorts memories, and restores strength. But why can't we endure long without it? Evolutionarily, sleep formed as a protective mechanism. In ancient times, when night was a period of danger from predators, the organism switched off to conserve energy and avoid risks. Modern science shows that without sleep, the body and mind begin to deteriorate at the cellular level. The record for sleep deprivation is 11 days, set in the 1960s, but already after 24 hours without sleep, dangerous symptoms appear: impaired concentration, irritability, and even microsleeps when the brain switches off for seconds as if trying to compensate. Let's fantasize deeper. Imagine your organism as a gigantic city where sleep is the nighttime repairman. Without it, streets overgrow with trash, toxins in the brain, bridges neural connections collapse, and security, the immune system, weakens. Prolonged sleep deprivation leads to cognitive impairments. Memory deteriorates because during the REM phase of sleep, the brain consolidates memories, transforming short-term information into long-term. Hallucinations appear already after 72 hours. The brain, lacking the opportunity to cleanse itself from daily impressions, begins to confuse reality with imagination. And physically, the immune system weakens, making you vulnerable to infections. Without sleep, the production of cytokines, proteins that fight viruses, drops, and you catch illnesses more easily. Long-term, this risks obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, because sleep helps flush out beta amyloid, a protein that accumulates in the brain. But can lack of sleep kill directly? In animals like rats, complete sleep deprivation leads to death in 2 to 3 weeks due to organism exhaustion. But in humans, it's more complex. Studies show that although no significant brain cell damage is detected, chronic sleep shortage impairs cognitive and motor functions, which can lead to fatal accidents or injuries. For example, driving in a state of deprivation is similar to alcohol intoxication. Philosophically, this prompts reflection. Sleep is not a weakness but an evolutionary genius that allows us to be effective during the day. Some people are genetically short sleepers. They suffice with 4 to 6 hours per night without harm, thanks to gene mutations. But this is rare, and for most, 7 to 9 hours is the norm. Imagine everyday life without sleep. Initially, euphoria from caffeine, then paranoia, hand tremors, weakening of the cardiovascular system, hormonal imbalance. Cortisol, the stress hormone, rises, testosterone falls, metabolism disrupts. It's like slow self-destruction. The body, lacking time for recovery, accumulates deaths that eventually lead to collapse. Stories, like in experiments with volunteers, show how after several days without sleep, people cannot perform simple tasks, and their psyche breaks, from depression to psychosis. Friends, sleep is a mysterious bridge between the conscious and unconscious, where we not only rest but are reborn. Without it, we lose not only health, but the essence of humanity, creativity, empathy, decision-making. This is a reminder that in the pursuit of productivity, we cannot ignore nature. If you suffer from insomnia, seek professional help. Health begins with quality sleep. If the topic resonated, write in the comments. How many hours do you usually sleep, and have you tried a no-sleep challenge? Like it, share with friends, and subscribe to Star Mind. More discoveries about the mysteries of the mind await. Until next time, and sweet dreams.